1.December and welcome back to a new video on our channel. Now in today's video guys, I'm going to give you a farm update. So as soon as I reach the farm, I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so I am here. Let us see what will be taking place today. Alright, so standing right here, it seems like a big pig breakout. I'll give you guys a closer look shortly. Yeah, this one break out again, and this was the same gate that we built the other day. Oh my god. Okay guys, so we are over to the pen where this sow gave birth a few weeks, maybe 2 weeks ago. No, I lied. 1 week ago. Her piglets are looking real nice. So we clipped and cut their tail and teeth and give them their iron shot yesterday. So they are set for right now. We had 10 piglets and all our 10 piglets are still remaining. However, we have I think it was about 2 of them had their neighbor got sick, so we sprayed. But apart from that, everything is okay with them. They are looking really good. And the mama is looking awesome as well. Hey! Alright guys, so over this pen, this sow had I think it was about 12 piglets she had, and she now have 9 remaining. So I think 3 died. And she have maybe 2 of them looking a bit not healthy. One of them has a sore butt. We had it sprayed. She's looking a little better. But yeah, that's her. Hopefully the piglets can wean in next month and 2 weeks. Everybody is enjoying the morning sunshine. Alright, over to this one now we have this sow. She's a bit thin, so we haven't been showing her on camera. But a few months ago she was really thin and we wanted to kill her. But you know, she's putting on back some weight now, and the reason why we hadn't killed her when she was really thin is because she produced good piglets. So that saved her, I guess. Yeah. Alright, so that will be it. Alright guys, over in this pen, look who we have here. We have this lovely Duroc sow, guys. Some of you guys thought that she would have piglets already, but no. She's still kicking and looking fat and lovely. She'll be having piglets January the 3rd, I think. And yeah, that is her. Her sister had piglets a few days ago on November 15, and she'll be having piglets on January the 10th. So she still have a few months to go, a month and a week, I think, or 2 weeks. Alright, so that's her. Big and nasty. Good morning, Farmer Mark. Alright guys, so we have these 2 lovely girls. You guys already know that they take brand service. So we'll be expecting some piggy wickets from them next year, February. Yeah, I think next year, February. those ones over there. I'm sure you can see them there. So put back a bit. Let me show them close up. Alright guys, so those are them. I'll see the date on the screen for you guys so you guys have a better idea. Yeah, I'm excited now to see their piglets. I know that probably is about 4 or 5 or so piglets they'll have, but I'm still excited. Hey! Alright, so moving on to this big sow over here. She'll be dropping in about 2 weeks, guys. So after she has piglets, we'll only have one piglet. Sorry. So after she has piglets, we'll only have one pig on the farm that will be having piglets, apart from the girls. Yeah. Okay, so yes, and tell me how much piglet you think she'll have. I think I should have about 30. The last time she had 11, so 30 would be good for her. Her sister had 11 the last time as well, and now when she had a piglet a few weeks ago, she had 12, so I think 13 would be good for her. Guys, we have these piglets outside. They're a little over 3 weeks. Some of them are looking puny. Remember the last time I showed you guys the video and you guys saw their face? Well, their face are better. Everybody's looking okay. Well, we have two sick ones. These are the two of the ones that are looking washy. But we gave them iron shot yesterday, so hopefully they'll be picking up. This one, she have a swollen foot. That's it right there. Hopefully it got better. It's really big, guys, compared to the other 3. But yeah, it's her. I think it's a female. But apart from that, they are happy and outside enjoying the morning sunshine as well. Let me show you guys their mom. These ones, guys, will be weaned in December. I think it's about the 20th. So you know we'll have weaners available soon for purchase. Alright, so these are their mom. This is their mom. Her pen is messy as always. And last but not least, guys, we have our brand. Now our brand is losing weight. I'm not sure what happened. We probably gonna let him service some more pigs up until March of next year, and then we butcher him. I'm not sure. You guys can see how thin his back is looking. I don't like it. I'm not sure what happened. Why is losing the weight? But we know we want to let him service some more pigs, and then we him in March. Alright, so alright, lastly we have these 2 girls over here. They have not yet taken brand service, so we're gonna have them do that in a few days, maybe tomorrow or the day after. Yeah, and that should be the end of the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment down below if you have any questions or concerns, and subscribe to our channel and get us to 1K subscribers. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.